So hi iPhone users, hope you all are good. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix the Bluetooth issue in your iPhone 13 smartphone. So if you are facing any issue that's related to your Bluetooth, like you try to connect your headphone, earphone or anything like TV or anything, but you see it doesn't connect. So what you can do, how you can solve this problem? Don't worry, it's very easy. So I will provide you two solutions of this problem. So the first solution is you have to just perform a force reboot. What you have to do is you have to press this volume up, then down, then you have to hold this power button. You have to hold it. I'm not holding it because if I will hold it, then my video will be paused. So this is the first solution. Now what to do if this solution doesn't work? There is another solution also. What you can do is, so sometimes we just, what happens is sometimes we messed up with our settings, or if this not also, then sometimes it's the problem with the software side also. There may be any glitch or anything. So what we can do is, definitely you can update your smartphone also. This is also a solution, but I will provide you another perfect solution. In this search bar, search for reset. Now reset. Now what you have to do is you have to reset the network settings. So in this network settings, it's Bluetooth also included in it. So when you reset it, it will just bring all the settings to the normal one, factory default one. And this will just solve the problem. This is the solution. And if there will be any bug or glitch, then also it will just solve this problem, and after it your problem will be solved. So if any user is worried like, is this will remove my photo, video or anything? No, it's not. It's just the settings that you have changed. This will bring it back to the factory default. So that's it. Just so hopefully video is helpful for you. If this is, give it a like and please subscribe my channel. So thank you and thanks for watching.